Oh well, hello again everybody. I'm back at Chaz's house and we're going to try and get the brakes up and running on the Suzuki Intruder today after we found that the caliper was seized when we put the new disc on last time. Because this is seized up, we're going to take the bleed nipple out and see if we can blow the pistons out with some air.
I'll get the air on. You keep getting this one out as well.
There you go, that's got one out. Oh, it's lovely and brown and manky on the bottom. Look. Now we're just trying to get the other piston out of the caliper because obviously having blown one out with compressed air, we can't blow the second one out because the air just blows out from the space where the first one was.
That's seized solid.
Yeah. Well, I wonder if we just get a screwdriver just in there.
Yeah, it can do.
Nice fat one.
Yeah, that one I prepared earlier. Don't break that lip off though.
No. Oh, there she goes.
Right, turn you around the other way now, if you can get the other side. Oh, that's a manky bit, look, see? And then the other side, right, no, go the other way. Now do it there. Do it evenly all the way around, you know? God, that is really seized. If you can get
Look at
that.
this now, that's... What I need is something to put under there, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I'm not... So it's coming.
That's it.
It's not actually that tight. Okay,
And there. And there.
That's getting tight again. And then again, just get stiff again, doesn't it?
Yeah. That was a lot. Right,
Yes, because it's at an angle, isn't it now?
yeah,
It's at an angle that way, isn't it? So.
yeah, to try and get in there.
Give a bit of soak while we're...
I think you're right.
Yeah.
And we're going to have some breakfast.
Yeah.
And come back.
Yeah, that second piston really wasn't coming out without a fight. So we retreated to Morrison's for a nice cooked breakfast while that soaked in some penetrating oil. Right, we've left this soaking while we had a bit of breakfast, and now I'll see if I can pop it the rest of the way out. So it's quite an angle, isn't it?
It's, yeah, it looks twisted to me. There you go.
There you go, that's both of them out. The only thing I'm concerned about is, what's in that?
I know. Oh shit. That's not good.
No. And this one's got quite a lot of pitching around the...
That's not good, mate.
This piston has literally got a chunk right out the bottom of it. And this one is pitted all around the top edge, so that bit would definitely be going past the seal in the caliper. So sadly we decided we wouldn't really get any further with the job on this occasion, and I'd have to go away and order some new pistons for the caliper. Now parts aren't that easy to find for this bike, being 1987 vintage, and eventually I did manage to find a company that makes new stainless steel pistons, so I've ordered some of them and hopefully they will be arriving with me shortly, and I can rebuild that caliper. But before I left Chaz's, we did fire the bike up and just give it a little bit of a run whilst it was on the lift, and yeah, sounds good, doesn't it?
Fuel. What was I say? Funny.
You
can hear it, is that fuel?